Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace and we're here today in Stockholm for NextGen Banking Nordics. Joining me is Jarkko Leppälahti from XMLdation and we're going to be talking about open banking. Jarkko, thank you very much for taking the time to speak with me today.
Thank you.
Firstly, what value does open banking bring to corporate banking?
I think it's safe to say that the value in open banking for corporate customers, it isn't necessarily there yet. I think the corporate customers, they should expect the same type of user experience as the consumers get with their modern banking products and services. We see a lot of fintechs who are currently creating value in the sort of underserved segments, so small and medium-sized enterprises. There are numerous use cases of that. Integrated accounting, multiple bank accounts, access to those immediately. And I think the greater value from open banking to the corporate customers will be sort of unlocked when these, some of these fintechs actually start to address with their products the needs of the larger corporate customers.
I see, and how do you see the industry delivering open banking?
There's been a lot of talk that the fintechs will eat the bank's lunches, but I think it's there are and there is going to be partnerships between fintech companies and the banks. That's the more likely outcome. And that's, what we've seen is that there's a preference for the banks to outsource product development and innovation efforts to the fintech companies. So I guess as an industry, the question that at least I have in my mind is that what about the other companies that actually serve larger corporate customers? What is their response? So, just to name a couple of examples, ERP vendors, cash management vendors, are they going to participate into the open banking effort, and how will they participate? Some of the fintechs, they are currently already in direct competition with these types of vendors.
And finally, what ecosystem is needed for this to be successful?
I think in the ecosystem, you do need environments where the parties in the ecosystem can collaborate. The collaboration will bring down eventually the costs of technology integration, which is needed for open banking to actually work. The banks are in the center of the ecosystem with all the data that they're holding about the customers. And in order to boost the ecosystem, the banks really need to support in a better way the parties and the teams who are working in the integration. What this really means is they need to provide a clear partnership model and things like easy registration, good sandboxes, and great documentation for the people who are working on the integrations.
Jarkko, this has been great. Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.